Hi, this is Chef Andy. I'm here making chicken stock. I've taken all of my scrap, my chicken scrap, put it in a pot. I'm going to put some vegetable scrap in it, bring it to us, fill it with water, bring it to a simmer, cook it for about 2.5 hours until all of that scrap is broken down. And then I will strain it, let it sit overnight in the refrigerator, and take the fat cap off. That'll give me some pretty good chicken stock. Hi, this is Andy again. We're making our chicken stock. This is a light chicken stock. We just put the bones in the pot with a bunch of vegetable scrap, and we've cooked it now for about 2 hours, and the bones are starting to break down. I'll show that to you. As you pull that up, you can see those bones just starting to break down as they go. There's still a little bit of flavor left in there. So we're probably going to go another half an hour, then we're going to strain it, let it sit overnight, remove the fat cap, and then we'll deal with it tomorrow.